Chapter 1. The Sentence. We use words when we speak or write. We usually use these words in a group in correct order. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. A sentence ends with a punctuation mark, a full stop, or an exclamation mark or a question mark. For example, carry we laptop can easily. The boy naughty window broke pane thee. Given above are two groups of words, but they are not making any sense. Now, let's arrange them in order. We can easily carry the laptop. The naughty boy broke the window pane. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Thus, a sentence is a group of words that are kept in a particular order to make complete sense. Kinds of sentences. Different types of sentences express different emotions and thoughts in various ways. A sentence can be divided into 4 types. Type 1. Assertive sentences. Type 2. Interrogative sentences. Type 3. Imperative sentences. Type 4. Exclamatory sentences. First, assertive sentence. Sentence which makes simple assertions or statements are called assertive or declarative sentences. For example, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Honesty is the best policy. Assertive or declarative sentences may be positive, affirmative, or negative. Positive or affirmative sentences. 1. She will listen to me. Negative sentence. 1. She will not listen to me. 2. The child is going to school. 2. The child is not going to school. Note: assertive sentences are followed by a full stop. Type 2. Interrogative sentences. Sentences which ask questions are called interrogative sentences. For example, what is your name? Are you going to school? Note: interrogative sentences are followed by the sign of question mark. Type 3. Imperative sentence. Sentences which express orders, commands, requests, advice, proposal, or suggestions are called imperative sentences. For example, be quiet. Have mercy for me. Type 4. Exclamatory sentences. Sentence which express some strong feelings or emotions such as joy, sorrow, regret, surprise, wonder, etc. are called exclamatory sentences. For example, how warm the day is. What a shameful behavior. Note: exclamatory sentences are followed by exclamation mark. Subject and predicate. When we make a sentence, we name some person or thing and say something about that person or thing. In other words, we must have a subject to speak about, and we must say or predicate something about that subject. So, the part which names the person or thing we are speaking about is called the subject of the sentence, and the other part which tells us something about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. Thus, every sentence contains both the subject and the predicate in order to express the complete sense of the sentence. For examples: subject, predicate, Suresh. Predicate, runs. Subject, birds. Predicate, fly. Subject, girls. Predicate, play. Subject, my brother. Predicate, pass the examination. Subject, it. Predicate, is very cold today. Subject, the dogs. Predicate, bark at night. The phrase. A phrase is a group of words that works together in a sentence but does not contain a subject or a verb. Often, phrases are used for descriptions of people, things, or events. For example, filled with joy, the girl jumped up and down. The man with the red jacket is my father. Phrases can also describe verbs or adverbs by explaining how or why something happened. For example, he performed the song with a smile on his face. She continued to run while silently humming a tune.